Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Captain speaking. Pretty much anticipating on-time arrival.
In the scenario where there's a flight cancellation or some other off-schedule operation, we've had a system where we find new seats and flights availability for those customers. But I think oftentimes customers didn't necessarily know that that was the best option for them. What we wanted to do was create a system where they could actually see alternate options.
The goal was to facilitate a better experience for our customers on how to get to their destination in an automated fashion on the channel of their choice.
So we partnered with IBM and specifically IBM Cloud platform to adopt their garage method, pair programming, test-driven development.
The original timeline was actually over a year. So American approached IBM and asked us if there was any way we could help them shorten that timeline.
From the time that we started development on dynamic rebooking until the time that we actually had customers using it was about 4.5 months.
We were kind of cautious to release this product. We rolled it out to a limited number of stations across all the channels, and it really went flawlessly.
We are now crossing into a zone of turbulence. Please keep your seatbelts fastened.
In our business, hurricanes, storms, other natural events impact our customers on a fairly regular basis. What happened, and this is a true story, the hurricanes hit, and everybody said, this is ridiculous. Our customers were being impacted by the hurricanes immediately. Why are we mitigating risk of a traditional rollout when we have the power of the cloud? And this is exactly the scenario that our customers need this capability.
We made the decision as a team that the tool needed to be turned on, and especially in the hardest hit areas. So we did.
Having the confidence to just flip the switch really came out of the whole project from the beginning. This was a unique opportunity for us really to embed the business side right in with the technology team.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
One of our expectations when we were moving to the IBM Cloud was the scale and the hyperscale of cloud should relieve our normal concerns around infrastructure when we roll out an application globally. So when the hurricanes hit, we put that to a test and our confidence was there and the application worked flawlessly.
I think people now realize that these kind of activities and integration are much easier when we can use cloud technology, and especially microservices, we can break problems into much smaller problems, and those get much easier to wrap your head around and develop.
This is the technology that we need to be adopting now in order to keep pace with our customer expectations.